Previously on LEGO Ninjago, Sons of Garmadon. The Sons of Garmadon had all three Oni masks, but not for long. Zane, disguised as Snake Jaguar, managed to steal the Mask of Vengeance. He arrived back at the Samurai XK with the mask. Harumi told Lloyd she loved him and tricked him into taking the mask back to the Temple of Resurrection. The other ninjas chased after him. When they arrived at the temple, they were confronted by the Sons of Garmadon. An epic battle had begun. The ninjas did their best to stop the evil bikers. Inside the temple, Harumi betrayed Lloyd and now had all three masks. With their combined power, she resurrected the evil Lord Garmadon! CooperAce Productions presents Cole! Kai!
Jay!
Mia!
Zane! Samurai X!
Lloyd!
Kilo!
Ultraviolet!
Mr. E! LEGO Ninjago! Sons of Garmadon! Part 5! Fury of Lord Garmadon! Finally! I've returned!
No, it can't be!
Lord Garmadon has been resurrected!
And now he'll destroy you all.
Ninjas, be ready! I don't like the sounds of this!
You don't scare us, Garmadon!
We'll stop you no matter what!
Wah! I will enjoy slaughtering you all!
Never! Lightning!
Your powers are nothing! Wah!
No!
Jay! I'll get you, Garmadon!
Let's
Yeah!
duel!
Ah!
You're all as pathetic as I remember.
He's mine!
You can do better than that!
He's charging!
Who's next? Face me, Garmadon! With pleasure! You're not strong enough to stand against me! Earthquake! That won't work, but this will!
No! Cole! Ha!
I actually felt that!
You'll fall to my blade. Yeah!
You fought well, but not well enough!
No, we're losing!
Not if I have anything to do about it.
Whoa! Your mech will fall!
How dare you do this?
I shall deal with Hutchins myself.
Don't do this!
Yeah!
Here!
Yeah!
Please! No! Oh!
Goodbye, Hutchins. You always were a fool.
Harumi! What have you done?
Lloyd, there's someone you need to see.
Hello there, son! No! You've resurrected Lord Garmadon! Fight back, father! There's still good in you! There is no more good in me, son! Only darkness!
Lord Garmadon, destroy your son!
I will enjoy this! I don't want to fight you, but I'll do what needs to be done! Yeah! Whoa! Ha! Yeah! Yeah! Wow! Ah! You won't defeat me, son! No! He's just too powerful! I can't defeat him!
We can't win this battle! We have to retreat!
This isn't the last you've seen of us!
No, they're escaping!
We'll find a way to stop you!
Time to go!
Let them go! They were never a match for us! Now, why was I resurrected?
I brought you back so you could help me conquer Ninjago.
Since you resurrected me, I'll gladly serve you. And we will serve you, Lord Garmadon. For we are the Sons of Garmadon. A biker gang that worships me? I love it.
They are excellent warriors, but we'll need an army to conquer Ninjago. The dragon hunters of the Oni realm must be freed.
That won't be easy. My father sealed off the realm. Even the realm crystal can't take you there.
But you must know of a way.
Of course I do. My father built a portal that can be opened with the realm key.
Then what are we waiting for? Let's go!
I shall take us there!
Whoa!
Whoa! With the Dragon Hunter army, I shall rule Ninjago!
Phew! We're back!
This so isn't good!
What's happened, Lloyd?
Lord Garmadon's back! And Harumi betrayed us! This is all my fault!
You made a mistake, Lloyd. We all do.
She told me she loved me, and I believed her.
I'm sorry, son. You've always been so trusting. It's one of your best features.
Well, I won't be anymore.
But what are we gonna do about Lord Garmadon?
We need a way to stop him!
We don't even know his plan. The situation isn't good.
But we can find out where he is. Computer, locate Lord Garmadon.
Lord Garmadon is currently at the ruins of Hitori.
What could he possibly be doing there?
If Garmadon's there, he plans to access the Oni realm.
Oni realm? I don't like this. We need a way to stop him.
But how? He's just too powerful.
Use Spinjitzu.
What's Spinjitzu?
It's an ancient martial art that lets you become an elemental tornado. Ninjago!
That's awesome! Ninjago!
Let's try Ninjago!
Holy moly! My turn! Ninjago!
We can do this! Ninjago!
You are now ready to face Garmadon.
We should leave at once. Me and Zane will attack from the water. We'll see you there.
Time to stop Garmadon!
Let's do this! Come on, Zane! Let's go!
Full speed ahead!
We're here! The portal to the Oni realm!
Excellent. Now we just need to open it.
Keep a watch for the ninjas, men!
We don't want them interrupting our plan.
They won't sneak up on us. Lord Garmadon, open the portal.
We need the realm key. My father locked it away here, but I have the power to take it. Rah! Yes, the realm key is ours.
Quickly, open the portal.
Soon the dragon hunters will be freed.
We have a problem. It's the ninjas.
This ends now. What the? Ah! We can't let them open the portal.
Then let's stop them!
This threat must end!
No, it's the ninjas.
Harumi, you pay for everything.
Well, if it isn't the gullible green ninja, I'll enjoy destroying you.
You mess with Lloyd, then you mess with all of us!
And no one messes with us. Come on, Cole, let's get 'em.
It's like you read my mind.
Activating battle mode. They will be dealt with.
No matter what, the portal can't be opened.
Ninjas never quit. Get them, ninjas.
Sons of Garmadon, attack!
This is gonna be fun!
Show them no mercy! Ah! You won't stop us! The Dragon Hunter army will invade Ninjago! To be continued! In the epic season finale! Lego Ninjago! Sons of Garmadon Part 6! Oni Invasion! Coming this June 2018! Hey everyone, it's me, Lloyd Garmadon the Green Ninja. Thanks for watching CooperAce Productions. Please subscribe and check out more of our awesome videos. Have an amazing day!